What's up, guys? What's going on? What's good? What's good? Oh, how's everybody doing out there? All right, let's give you guys a couple of moments to come on into the chat, see what we got for you this afternoon. Figured we pop in, do a stream. Gonna head to the gym after that. First day back at the gym in a while, so probably like 4 or 5 months, to be honest with you. Been kind of sick, but now we're back at it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Crypto Holmes, what's up, brother? First one in the chat. Good to see you, man. How you doing, brother? Can always count on Crypto Holmes. Shay Boy, what's good, y'all? What's good? What's good? Good to see you, man. What else is going on there? Guys, we got some alpha for you today. Have a look at what's going on. Have a look at the charts here. JASMY, man. Looking juicy, guys. Still looking good. Strong signals, guys. While the whole market looks like it's kind of down a little bit, look at Miria. Look, I might have to buy some more Miria at these prices, guys. I might have to, right? It's tough. I can't turn it away, man. Bitcoin just a hair under. We're gonna be here, guys, for the daily close today. So hopefully we can get a daily close for Bitcoin over 70K. And another good daily close for JASMY would be nice if we can pump up. I'll show you guys in a minute where we need to close, but we already have it set up. So yeah, look at the market, guys. It's a good buying day today. It is a good buying day. SEI, fantastic opportunity there. Absolutely, man. You love to see it. You love to see it. So yeah, all right. So what do we got going on here? Let's see who else is in here. It's crypto time. Absolutely, man. Hello, JASMY family. Picked up some H-bar under 10 cents. Nice. I love it. Slam to the family. What is going on? Nacho. Good afternoon, my friend. Good afternoon. Got the Crypto Holmes knows I got the game going on in the background. You know what it is. I am JASMY. We're all JASMY. Oh man, absolutely, guys, absolutely. All right, so what else do we got? Yeah, so market looks kind of neutral here, guys. Well, kind of red. Uni's still down. Oh, it's back up over $9 anyways, so it's starting to recover. Some good opportunities out there, my friends. Some good opportunities. Take advantage while you can. Let's go over to the chart here. So we're looking at the daily, guys, right? It would be nice if we can break above this symmetrical triangle, this trend line here. If we can break up above it and close above it, fantastic, guys, fantastic. But the important thing is we're still above the resistance level of yesterday. We've held support. Look how tight this is, guys. Look. Crap. Shouldn't have moved that. There we go. Now, look at this. Look how tight this is. We are inside this little area here, okay? We got to break out above here. We've got support and resistance. Boom, boom, right there. So if we can break out of here, guys, if we can break out of there tonight, if we can get a new daily close candle above this trend line, boom, we can retest 2 cents 7 right up here today, right? Tonight, you know what it is. So that's what we're keeping an eye on for the daily close today on JASMY. Happening in about 27 minutes. So Stefan says like and subscribe. Absolutely. Boomer, what's up, brother? What is good, my brother? Crypto Trucker, family squats cooking. It's cooking. H. Barbarina, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, what do we have going on today, guys? Yes, definitely smash that subscribe button on your way in. Robbie, my guy, what's up, Justin? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, so yeah, so that's where we need to close today, guys. We got to close above this trend line. We're gonna stay on top of it. We got 26 minutes before that happens. So we're gonna watch it. So guys, listen, a lot of people are like, they don't understand. Like they're so down on Jasmine. Like, well, every time it gets close, it starts pumping and stuff, or it starts dumping, right? Guys, there's contributing factors here, right? For one, it's Grayscale again dumped a bunch more on the market this morning, right? And then another factor, guys, you might not like it, but another factor. Oh, damn it, get out of here. What is this now? Another factor is this. The DXY. As you can see, guys, it had a bullish reversal. This is the dollar, right? It pumped back up. When this, listen, if you want risk on assets like crypto to go up, you need the DXY to go down, right? So this had a bullish reversal yesterday, which started dumping. Which started dumping the market, right? We've got a little bit of a bearish candle here, a little green, but we need this to dump, guys. We need the DXY to dump for Bitcoin and crypto to go up, right? So this is a big negatory here, big negatory. So another thing that you got to pay attention to. When is the soup ready? Michael, what? No dogman in drag. No dogman in drag. Oh man. Matt, nice videos. Thanks for the helpful insight. My pleasure, Matt. My pleasure, man. Give Rob a high five. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Michael, done liked. Yes. Bring the 5 table to the table. Yes. Absolutely, man. Big things popping, little things stopping, guys. Smash that subscribe button like it's Gary Gensler's face. Smash it like you hate it, right? Hit it and quit it. All right, what else do we got, guys? What else going on? So check this out. Dr. Jasmy says, Jasmy climbing to the top movers list today. Been a minute, bro. Look at that. You love to see it, man. You love to see it. Jasmy making moves. Now let's check out the altcoin chart, shall we, guys? Check this out. Altcoin market cap, guys, getting ready to frickin' explode. Breakout level right here, 1.3 trillion, something like that. Altcoins, bullish pennant continuation pattern for altcoins, which I shared a few days ago, is still in play. It's a breakout. Let the bears wait for 50K BTC. It will never happen, in my opinion. Ready for the next round, guys. So listen. Look at this bull pennant on the altcoin market cap, guys. We're ready to explode to the upside here. Only a matter of time. I keep telling you guys, the altcoin season is coming. Be ready to have life-changing wealth. Be ready for it, guys. It's coming. Big things popping, little things stopping. You know what it is. You know what it is. I don't got to tell you twice. What else do we got going on? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So, Jasmy Maniac says, how to get Generation Z to adopt PDLs, collab with AI. Getting Generation Z interested in adopting personal data lockers. 1, educate them about the risks of data breaches. Connect PDL with broader social and environmental control. Simplify their user experience. Offer transparency and security. Leverage Gen Z comfort with technology. Use influencer and peer marketing. Collaborate with influencers and peers. That would be me. Somebody pay me, right? Somebody pay me. Gamify and reward adoption, educate through digital literacy programs, enable customization and personalization, and monetize their participation. Well, with the PDL, to be honest with you, the monetization of participation already exists because you get rewarded in Jasmy coin, right? So that already exists, to be fair. What else do we got? The Deacon says JASMY AI PC blockchain, personal data lockers, Carbon Consortium, partnerships with Sony, Panasonic, listed on Coinbase, Binance, and more than 70 centralized exchanges. Current price 2 cents with the potential 50x former Sony executive developers. Absolutely love to see it. Very, very bullish, guys. Check this out. More bullishness for you. BlackRock finally starts marketing their iShares. Just in, BlackRock launches Bitcoin ETF advertising campaign on Bloomberg homepage. Very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish. We're starting to see these asset managers who hold spot Bitcoin ETFs, who sell them, are starting to do marketing and compete against each other for the business. That is only a win for us as holders. What else do we got? Let's check this out, guys. Let me know if you can hear this okay. Very, very bigly.
Goes back to investor interest, that investors have been saying for years that we want an ETF that is providing exposure to Bitcoin. They liked the asset, but they wanted a better vehicle to get exposure to it. And just like it's incredibly easy to get exposure to 500 stocks in the S&P 500 through IVV, or to get bond exposure through AG, people want that type of easy vehicle for Bitcoin. So this is a huge step forward for investors getting that easy access. But also a lot of investors for the first time can now consider Bitcoin. It just wasn't available to a lot of investors who could only buy things that are traded on exchanges like ETFs. And so now you see a whole group of investors who are thinking about this asset for the first time.
You're also seeing 70 different mutual funds saying, you know what, I would like to switch to an ETF, because an ETF is like a mutual fund, only it trades like a stock. You can move it as many times as you want during the day. So give me
adoption. Finally, adoption, guys. Absolutely bullish. Crazy bullish. What else is going on? This could be a huge move developing on the daily. JASMY is checking all of the boxes and coming in on a rough cup and handle and a significant zone above previous higher lows. Sorry. Very, very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Cup and handle. Love to see it. All the patterns, guys, I keep telling you guys, we're seeing all kinds of patterns developing on the higher time frames for JASMY and Bitcoin as well. And it's just getting more and more bullish. It's going to explode, guys. It's going to explode. That's what she said. So this Bitcoin halving could spike prices instantly. With a robust pre-halving rally hitting new all-time highs driven by solid fundamentals. Not mere speculation, the upcoming reduced issuance and supply crunch is set to sharply push prices up. That's just it, guys. Most of the time, we would see a dump around the halving. However, this time, what we're seeing for Bitcoin is something a little bit different, and that is that the supply is being bought up faster than it's being produced as we speak now. Now that supply, the production is about to be cut in half. Right? And we've already seen the reserves on exchanges already start to plummet. So when the supply starts to get cut in half, we're not even at the halving event yet. The production has not even been cut in half yet. And we're starting to see these asset managers and stuff contacting the miners directly because they're running out. The exchanges are running out of reserves, right? So what happens when the supply gets cut? The production gets cut in half, right? In like 8 days, the supply starts getting cut in half. At some point, guys, we're going to feel a massive supply and demand shock, right? We haven't even felt it yet. We got Hong Kong's and mainland China's each spot Bitcoin ETF going to be active around the beginning of next month. Halfway through next month, we'll start to feel the effects of that. Guys, the supply shock's going to come. I'm telling you right now, what I foresee is a massive boom in the price of Bitcoin. We're going to wake up one day and it's just going to be going crazy, right? One day soon, because the supply and demand shock is going to kick in. The amount being produced is being cut in half, but the amount that's being scooped up is increasing by Germany, Hong Kong, mainland China, Korea, and London. More spot Bitcoin ETFs are passing, guys. You don't have to have a degree to know what's about to happen here, right? So I think it's like 12 times more Bitcoin is being bought up in a day than is being produced. Well, that doubles when the halving happens, and then it goes exponentially higher when these other ETFs go active, right? Like, am I blowing your mind yet here at the supply and demand boom that's about to happen? Like, it's going to be such a loud boom. It's going to blow your eardrums out your butthole. Okay. I'm telling you right now, like, it's going to be nuts. So I try to tell people, be bullish, be ready, guys. It's coming. Check this out. Check this out. Let's talk about it, guys. Let's talk about it. Bitcoin back above 70,000 despite negative taker volume. So we got Bitcoin has surged back above 70,000 level during the past day despite the negative net taker volume for the asset. As explained by Crypto Quant Netherlands community manager Martin, in a post on X, selling spikes of a significantly heavier scale than before have recently appeared on the Bitcoin net taker volume. The net taker volume is an indicator that keeps track of the difference between the Bitcoin tracker by the taker sell volume and the perpetual swaps. How can the sell and buy volumes be different? The Crypto Quant explains in its data guide. He says when the volume of this metric is positive, it means that the taker buy volume is overwhelming, and the taker sell volume right now. Such a trend implies a bullish sentiment is shared by the majority. On the other hand, a negative indicator suggests that more sellers are willing to sell the coin at a lower price, a sign that the bearish mentality is the dominant one. Now, here's the chart that shows the trend in Bitcoin's net taker volume over the past year. Boom. So red's negative, obviously. Green would be positive. And we're in the red right now, so it's a little bit negative. As the above graph shows, the Bitcoin net taker volume has recently registered a sharp negative spike, implying that the taker sell volume has been higher than the taker volume, than the taker buy volume. Sorry. The net taker volume has been seeing some large red spikes for a while. As the analyst highlighted in the chart, Bitcoin is being hammered down massively with selling spikes on the net taker volume significantly heavier than before. That's because of Grayscale, guys, right? Grayscale dumped $300 million worth the day before yesterday and another $266 million worth today, right? Interestingly, despite the bearish sentiment, in the market, the Bitcoin price has managed to hold up relatively well. Obviously, the coin's bullish momentum has gone while these negative net taker volume spikes have taken hold. But the fact that BTC has shown strength against any sustained drawdowns is still impressive. The pattern that that's perhaps visible in the chart is although the net taker volume has continued to see red spikes recently, their scale has gradually decreased. Thus, if this trend continues, it is possible that the bearish mentality will eventually run out, and the buying pressure will take over. Bitcoin now remains to be seen how the indicator develops shortly. For me, guys, like I said, the buying pressure is going to kick in massively as soon as Hong Kong's ETF takes effect. Very, very bullish there. Not to mention, as I said before, Germany had passed theirs about a week ago. So in about another week and a half, we're going to start to feel the effects of Germany's inflows, and then Hong Kong's a couple weeks after that, so on and so forth, right? So very, very bullish stuff, guys. Like I said, this is going to be a very, very fun summer, guys. We haven't even gotten started yet. You wait. This summer is going to be fantastic for you. Super fantastic. It's going to be wonderful. Do it now. What else do we got? So yeah, we need to see a dump in the DXY as well, right? And then we will be very, very happy. Very, very happy. It's good. It's good. So we'll go over here. So we know where we need to close today, guys. We need to close above the trend line. We're just smack right up against it right now. We need to break through in the next 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes to break through this level and have our daily close. So in the meantime, let's go to the chat. See what everybody's talking about. Scoop, the 5 table, Knight Rider coming to the table. Take a look at Ondo today. Yes, I am a big fan of Ondo. I made an Ondo video the other day, but it didn't do very well. People don't care about it, probably because it's newer. But Ondo up 6%. Yeah, it's looking juicy today. I do not currently own any Ondo, but it's another one of those projects I do want to own. JE, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Guys, click the link in the chat or click the link in the pinned comments if you want to become a member of the channel. Gen Z, tell them that crypto will make their feelings feel better. Oh, yeah, that's boomer. Oh, I'm a boomer. Yeah. Yep. Tell them that it won't hurt their feelings and they'll be, it'll be fine. Yeah, Rob gives it to us. We want to know the lowdown with JASMY. 100%. Micro dips. I just got an update from my phone the other day that Altura Credit Union data got leaked. That made me bullish for JASMY. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. I said that back in, I think, February. I was talking to Jesse about that the Bank of America ended up getting hacked and like 57,000 of their customers' identities were leaked and stolen, right? Who solves that problem, guys? JASMY Secure PC does. That's who, the PDL, baby, right? Stumbled on by chance again. Haha, really wish YouTube would notify. I put out, like, to be fair, this time, man, I put like a half-hour notification out there so that you guys would know. So this time it's not my fault. I put it out there. Sandy, what's up? Sandy says, hello, smash the likes. Yes, I agree, Sandy. Thank you so much for supporting me. It's absolutely wonderful. It is absolutely wonderful. What else do we got going on here, guys? I predict 200K on Bitcoin. I was watching some Plan B stuff today, and it was looking like he's calling somewhere between a 300 and 400K Bitcoin before the end of this bull run, guys. Very, very interesting. Let me tell you this. I hope so. He feels that last 4-year cycle, the market underperformed because of COVID, right? It delayed the market, and it ended up costing us some of the bull run. So, which makes sense to me. So he figures the market will try to make up for that this time around. So he foresees a $300,000 to $400,000 Bitcoin in this bull run. Do you have any idea what the price of altcoins would be if Bitcoin makes its way to $300,000 to $400,000 this bull run? Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy, right? And listen, if Tech Dev's prediction is right, if his analysis is right, and we do see between a $100,000 and a $140,000 Bitcoin by the end of July, then I would start to say, you know what, maybe Plan B's prediction is right, because if we can do that, we can certainly go to 300K in another year, right? With all these inflows, with all the bullishness, the bull run, the blow off top, absolutely, man. So things could get very, very interesting. I will see the biggest pump on JASMY. Yeah. Looks like we're trying to break through here, guys, for the daily close. We're trying. We're smacked right up against it here. So we'll see what happens. Rickaroo, what's up, fam? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Michael, what's up, buddy? What's up? Jasmy, scoop adoption, a pocket of these 5 night riders. Wait until release. Make a strong case, build a strong table. 100%. SPL, H-bar to the moon. I agree, man. One of my biggest holdings, H-bar. Absolutely love H-bar, man. Going to be fantastic. $1 to $1.50 for H-bar. However, I do like all in crypto's prediction of a $2 H-bar in the bull run. That would be fantastic. Multisanti, you don't think there's going to be a pullback after the halving? I don't know, man. I don't know. A lot of people think we've already seen the pullback, right? I'll be honest with you, man. I think that if it was not for the Grayscale outflows, like the selling pressure that Grayscale's been putting on Bitcoin, we'd probably already have at least a $90,000 Bitcoin right now if we didn't see all of that selling pressure going on. Like, I got to believe that. It's only another 20 grand from where we are now, right? So it's really, really hard to say. And as we get closer, as we get further along here, I mean, every day that goes by, Grayscale has less and less Bitcoin to sell, right? So at some point, their selling pressure is going to die down, and it's going to be only up, right? From what I've seen, there's been a pullback after every halving. Yeah, but there also has not been ETF inflows of billions and billions and billions of dollars from the US, Hong Kong, mainland China, Korea, Germany, and London, right? We also didn't have billions of dollars pouring in from that either, right? So a little different when it comes to the price action of Bitcoin. The rest of the market is acting normal, but Bitcoin is not, right? So okay, now the Jasmy party can start. 4 minutes till the daily close. Armed to fight you. Hello, Jasmy family. What's up? X marks the spot. So are you saying no dip Bitcoin after the halving? Well, I mean, listen, I don't have a crystal ball, right, guys? But it's entirely possible especially if the selling pressure from Grayscale dies down even more. If it starts to really dissipate, we might not, guys. We might not. We're just exploring possibilities here, right? Always be prepared for both scenarios. Be prepared to have dry powder on the side in case there is, but make sure you are positioned well in case there's not, right? So my way of telling is double the cryptic. Yes. Hello, Jasmy family. Crypto Q, what's up? What's up? Yo, brothers and sisters, X marks the spot in his house. Michael's here. Michael, Overcome. What's up, man? Good to see you. Craig, Jasmy trying hard to have a blow off top. Yeah, that would be nice, man. We're watching this daily closer. We're going to see where the next daily candle starts. Hopefully it starts above this trend line right here on the symmetrical triangle. We got 3 minutes left. So the Rodmeister, what's up, man? Andy, how you doing, man? What's good, brother? What's good? Craig, everybody give me your end of year Jasmy price predictions. Go. I gotta go for $1, man. I gotta go for $1. Hoover JM says $1.03. 15.15, let's go. 100%. 92 cents, says Haas. Can you put it on the layman's terms? Why it needs to close above 2 cents too? Why it's like a mechanical thing, not a psychological thing? Well, I mean, it's for bullish continuation, right? A close below, like if we were to, like, let's say we closed down here around the resistance level, or let's say we broke down below this resistance level that we broke through yesterday, right? You see how yesterday we closed yesterday's candle just a hair above the resistance line, and then we shot up yesterday. It's further bullish continuation. We shot up to 2 cents 6 before Grayscale screwed us over and started selling, right? So a close above the trend line would give us another shot at testing the 2 cents 7 level, hopefully without any selling pressure this time, right? So it factors in further bullish continuation to the upside. A close below this resistance level down here would be further continuation to the downside, obviously, right? It means that we would get rejected If we don't break up, we're getting rejected off of this trend line, and we could continue to ping pong inside of this resistance level and this support level, potentially dropping out of this support level if the support level doesn't hold, right? So yeah, like if we reject off the trend line and we come back down and test this 2 cents 2 as support, right at the same time as Grayscale dumps on the market, we could drop below this support level and back down to test this trend line at the bottom of the symmetrical triangle back down to 1 cent 9, right? So I hope that makes sense to you. Aloha, Rob. Let's go Jasmy to the moon, baby. Absolutely. Absolutely. Hello, Jasmy family. Just glad to be a part of this community. Hey, you definitely are a part of this community, man. You are one of us. You're one of the family, my friend. Craig, oh yeah. J Bond, what's up, man? Good to see you. Haven't seen you really too consistently in a while. It's good to see you here, man. 2.2 cent is support now, correct? Yes, it is. It is support. So we've closed the candle, and it looks like we're right on here. So it's going to take a little bit to see. It looks like we're going to the upside so far. I think we've closed right above it. We closed right above that level, guys. I think we did it. Yeah, we did it. We did it. So now we got to pump to the upside here. We got to pump to the upside. So potential now, we could work our way back up and test 2 cents 7 tonight as a result of the good daily close, right? Which means I'm pretty sure it means that Bitcoin probably closed above 70,000, but let's check it out. Let's see what, yeah, it did. Bitcoin had a close above 70,000, which means bullish continuation to the upside, guys, right? Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm looking at. So BTC closed just above on the daily, above 70,000. So we should see further bullish continuation to the upside on Bitcoin as well, provided Grayscale doesn't dump on us again tomorrow morning, right? So we could see Jasmy test 2 cents 7 tonight. It is very, very likely that we will now that we've had that healthy daily close. So we're going to stay on top of it, guys. We're going to stay on top of it. Very, very good news. Very, very good news. I think 200K to 250K by the end of 2025. Absolutely, man, for BTC. Yeah, absolutely. I could see it. Craig, it's 9 a.m. in Japan. They bought to buy that dip up. Let's go. Let's go. Michael, I was thinking about selling my H-bar. I wouldn't, man. I would not do that. I would not do that, my friend. H-bar is one of my biggest holdings. I'm counting. I'm going to start dollar cost averaging out of H-bar probably around a dollar. By about $1.50, I'll be fully out, right? But yeah, I agree with all in crypto. It could go to $2. Guys, listen, I always front run the market because I don't want to be in a rat race trying to get my sell orders filled at the top, right? Or near the top. If everyone thinks it's going to go to $2, I'm getting out before $2 because that's the psychological level of the market in general. That's what everyone's waiting for. I'm getting out before that, right? Because that means that my sell orders are likely going to hit a lot easier because people think it's going higher. So people are going to keep buying it, right? So if I'm getting out at $1.50 and everyone else, the general market thinks it's going to go to $2, well, people are going to be scooping up mine at $1.50. And what if it tops at $1.50? Well, then guess what? They just became my exit liquidity, right? That's why I always front run the market. I make sure that I get paid, right? So I don't let greed get the best of me. I stick to my plan. That's why you want to be a member of the channel, guys. Click the link in the chat or in the pinned comments. You want to have that support, man. You want to have someone there helping you get out of the market on time. Can't wait for Jasmy to reach $1 billion in volume. What is the volume on Jasmy right now that you mention it? Jasmy's volume right now, 420 million. Very, very nice. Very healthy. Craig, this past week or so is usual after the halving pullback. We hit an all-time early and got the pullback early. This cycle is ahead of schedule. Yeah, Craig, that is a good way of looking at it, actually, man. We hit the all-time high early, and we had a pullback over the last little while, guys. That probably, there's a good chance that was the pullback. You know what I'm saying? Like, Craig, you're absolutely right, man. If the all-time high happened early, then logically the pullback could have happened early too, right? So that is definitely a very, very logical perspective. Kevin, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Michael, 2 cents 3. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, look at that, guys. We're starting to climb. I think we're going to test this this second level here. If you see this next level of resistance at 2 cents 77 is going to be the next level of resistance. I think we're going to work our way up there throughout this evening and tonight, and we're going to test it. If we get lucky, maybe we can break through it tonight and head up to 3 cents 3, right? We'll see what happens, but we're going to watch it all night long. Facts. What's up, brother? Bitcoin's at 70K while HBAR's at 10 cents with no steam whatsoever. HBAR will disappoint many people. It's extremely underperforming. I don't know, man. I bought into HBAR at like 2 cents and it's at like 10 cents now. So I'm way up on my HBAR. Way up. I guess it's all a matter of where you bought in, right? We got to wait and see what Jim Caper says. 69. 75. Grayscale is ruining the bull run. No, you know what, Andrew? I get what you're saying, brother, but listen, I would rather have Grayscale dumping right now than dumping in the altcoin season. This is not the altcoin season. Make no mistake about it. We're not in the altcoin season right now, guys. Not even close, right? I'd rather have them doing it now than when we're in the middle of an altcoin run and they keep pounding us back down then, right? Get it out of the way, man. Rip the Band-Aid off so that when the altcoin season comes around, it's smooth sailing, baby, right? Thoughts on Cardano? I like Cardano. I hold Cardano. Cardano was one of the first projects I ever bought in crypto. One of them. It's amongst my like top 5 in terms of purchases. Like how the fifth per one I ever bought, something like that. But yeah, Cardano will do okay. My target for Cardano is somewhere about $7, $5 to $7 would be healthy for Cardano. They just had some bullish news today, though, Cardano, didn't they? One of their companies, one of their companies in their ecosystem just partnered with Wowie, didn't they? Today, wasn't there an announcement about that? Something like that. What do we got? Sorry, Michael. I'm holding HBAR since about 4 cents. Geesh, it's been a while. Yeah, I'm holding mine, man. I'm not selling my HBAR till it's over $1 at least. Candle closed. Yes, we closed above it, guys. We closed above. That is an awesome close we had. Bullish continuation, baby. Grayscale messed us up last night. We were on our way to break 2 cents 7. Yes, we were. We made it all the way up to 2 cents 6. We made it up to, and then they gave it to us raw. I got 50K HBAR at 4 cents average. Now just wait. Yeah, I bought a few 100,000 HBAR when it was like 2 to 3 cents. So Crypto Q says smash the like button. Absolutely, man. Smash it, whack it, smash it, crack it, whatever you got to do. Jack stacked and fanny packed. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. What else do we got? Yo, gotta pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. Val Pro Coin. Let's go. Yes, absolutely, man. It did it. Yes, we had a good close. We had the close, guys. We're gonna be watching this chart all night long. Watch, I gotta go to the gym after this stream. While I'm off at the gym getting gains, this is gonna pump like crazy. I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna go live again, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Skylar, Jasmy holders on Etherscan are over 67,400. just keeps growing, baby. Just keeps on growing. 1 second here. JASMY input December 2023 today. This is just holding 15 thousands. Don't buy back. Starting new wallet. So low, never. Yeah, buying exactly 100%. Rob, Steph is crypto. Yes, Steph is good people, man. I love Steph's stuff. Absolutely. I support Steph. I like his stuff. Absolutely. Michael, welcome to the member side, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Make sure you're here on Sundays for the members only live streams, my brother. It's going to be great to have you there, man. Going to be great to have you. Guys, join Michael in becoming a member of the channel. Click the link in the pinned comments or in the chat. You don't want to miss the opportunity, guys. You get microcap gems videos, or sorry, live streams on Sundays. You get help with your portfolio, help with your exit strategies, your profit taking, all that fun stuff, right? So if you're new to crypto, it's definitely going to be very helpful for you going into the altcoin season to have the community of over 260 people that are there to help you and support you and, you know, answer your questions and all that fun stuff, right? So, devilish, technically, isn't crypto market just a huge Ponzi scam that just repeats every 4 years since everything crashes during the bear market and people, I mean, that's, I guess, I mean, you're not wrong per se, right? But that is kind of a fucking negative way to think about it, I suppose. But you're not entirely wrong either, I suppose. But listen, the stock market has bear markets and bull markets too, right? So, I mean, I don't know. Hello, how big is the next move going to be for JASMY? Well, like I said, right here, we closed above the trend line, so we should sometime tonight, I'm hoping we should retest this 2 cents 7 level. We might not break through it. We might reject off it, guys. We could reject off it and come all the way back down to this trend line to retest it as support at 2 cents 3. It's entirely possible, right? That being said, though, it's also possible that we can break through this this next resistance level and move on to further continuation. If we break above this tonight and we can close a candle above it, maybe we can retest it as support tomorrow and move further to the upside, right? So it's all possible, right? Those just, I give you both scenarios, right? Sandy says the like button has been repaired. Feel free to smash it. Yeah. Funny story, guys. You know, it's actually now legal to hit the like button. The police won't come after you. You need to have an exit plan set up. Last time I did not, and my portfolio dropped like crazy. But this time I'm ready. Yes, that's what we do for the members on the member side. When the altcoin season hits, we're going to be doing members only live streams every single day, making sure that everyone is getting their questions answered, taking their profits, picking their price points where they want a dollar cost average out. That's what we're going to be doing for the members, helping them with their plans, helping them take their profits, all that stuff. So that's why you want to be on the member side, guys. If you try to do it alone, just like Juan here says, you know, last time it didn't work for him when he tried to do it alone. 3 cents. Let's get it. Absolutely, man. Michael, I've got a star by the name now. I'm special at least. I got a star by my name now. You were always special, man. Short bus special. Come on now. What do we got? Delish, yeah, but you only make money off others' misfortune. Same thing in stocks, man. It's the same thing. In stocks, for every seller, there has to be a buyer. It's the same thing, man. Right? It's not unique or new to crypto, right? So yeah. And hope they're the ones getting caught holding the bag, not you. It's kind of unethical if you think about it. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. It's definitely unethical. But at the end of the day, again, it's the stock market's been like that for decades, right? I guess that's just the world we live in. When you really, really break it down and think about it, Devilish, it's like every cycle, new people come into the market and they're the exit liquidity for the people who were the exit liquidity for the last market cycle, right? So that's why it's hard to do it by yourself. If you try to do it alone, you're just going to be exit liquidity for the people who were around in the last market cycle. And then you will learn from that. And then you're here for the next bull run, 2029, 2030. And then the new people that come into that cycle are your exit liquidity, right? It's a cycle of it's a perpetual cycle, I suppose. But I'm glad I'm in. Eduardo, thank you for the super chat, my friend. Your support is always greatly appreciated, man. Says I bought some Swift coin. Thoughts on how high it could go? I could see Swift coin hitting $1, but I will be exiting around 40 to 50 cents. So that is where I see Swift going. But I am very, very bullish on it. Do you think JASMY could reach $4 this bull run? I mean, this bull run, it depends. I did a price prediction video on JASMY yesterday. I would tell you, you know what I'll do? I'll link it in the chat so that after the stream, you can go watch it. I would say go watch that price prediction video. And yeah, that will answer that question. Where I think I tell you where I think JASMY's going to go in the short term and where I think it's going to go in the long term. So check that video out. I put the link in the chat for you. So yeah, check that out. It will give you my JASMY price targets. What else do we got? Sean, JASMY fam, let's go. Smash the ball in two. Yes. KK, what's up, man? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Maltasanti, projection, pre-halving, and post. If there's a pullback, do you think 30%? Well, we just kind of talked about that a little bit. Craig made a very logical assessment and said that, like, it's only logical that we saw a new all-time high early, and then we saw a big pullback. So it's only logical that maybe that pullback we saw was the early Bitcoin halving pullback. Because if we break a new all-time high early, why can't we have the Bitcoin halving pullback early too? You see what I'm saying? The Bitcoin cycle is happening earlier, right? So the dip we saw, the crash that we saw in Bitcoin, that could have been the Bitcoin halving crash happening early, same as the all-time high happened early, right? It's entirely possible that that's the case. Tristan, morning, Rob. It's 8 a.m. in Australia. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for being here from Australia. Thank you for spending your morning with me. It's greatly appreciated. I believe Matthew scored his 67th tonight. Did he score? I think he's at 6. Yes, he did. He scored in the first period. That's right. Yeah, he's at 6. Crazy. He needs 3 more goals. 3 more goals to get to 70. That's crazy, eh? That's lights out crazy, man. I hope he gets another one tonight. I hope he does. I would love to see it for that kid. He's a good kid. He's a phenomenal goal scorer. It would be great to see him get to 68 tonight and have like 3 games. I think he's got 3 games left to score 2 goals. That would be perfect. That would be perfect. Welcome to the fam. Michael says, Rickaroo. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Michael, I've been in crypto for 3+ years. I'm still a noob, though. I'm a noob. We're all noobs. Patience pays off, says Venom. Absolutely. Stefan, members, nice to support the team. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. The support is absolutely amazing and greatly, greatly appreciated for sure. Also, smash the subscribe button as well. That would be fantastic. Super fantastic. Do it. Do it now. Craig, 2 cents, 3.5. Yeah, we're looking good. It's a nice thick little candle here. Nice thick little candle. That's what she said, right? That's what she says to me every night. Nice thick little candle. That devilish comment. Yes, exactly. Carlos, JASMY to $4. Mark my words. I can see it. Tommy, once that comes around, will you put a sell order for all the members? Tommy, the members, you guys are not only yes, you're going to see my sell orders, but I'm not only going to just post my sell orders for you guys. I'm also going to be live streaming every day and explaining to you verbally, like I am now, what I sold, how I sold it, why I sold it. You're going to get all that information from my portfolio as well. So yes, you will continue to get 100% transparency as a member on what I'm doing in the altcoin season, in the bull run with my portfolio. And, because that may help you decide as well, right? What's your price prediction for JASMY in May? Gene, I just put a link in the chat a couple of minutes ago for my JASMY price prediction video. I would advise you go check it out, my friend. I made it yesterday, so it's very, very fresh. I did a short-term price prediction, and I did a long-term price prediction. So check that video out, my friend. It's linked in the chat down below. I'm a supporter without a specific reason. I am JASMY, and I love supporting those who have been supporting us since day one. Absolutely, man. Oh, Leafs just scored. Who scored that? Crypto Holmes. Who scored it, buddy? I wasn't looking. Is it Matthews again? Was that Matthews again? Did he just hit 68? Matthews just hit 68, man. Are you kidding me right now? 2 more goals to 70. Holy crap. This kid is on fire. Good for him. I think it was him. Was it him? It was. He's laughing about it too. He's sitting there laughing like, bro. He's like, bro, I'm not even trying anymore, bro. That's awesome. Crypto Goddess, how are you? How are you? Hello, multimillionaire family. What do we got? Everyone makes money off other people, devilish. Absolutely. That's the way the world works. Even since before there was even money in existence, right? We traded fur and whatever else, right? So absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Crypto Goddess, Rob, I have a question about migration. Is it better to buy a token before migration or after? Depends. It depends. Why are they migrating, first of all? And I mean, like, what's the company doing? What's the reason for the migration? Does it change the tokenomics? All these things play factors, right? Sometimes you get a migration and you don't even have to do anything. Like, you just hold and then they just airdrop the new tokens to you, kind of thing, right? I've had that. I think I participated in a migration before, and it just didn't affect anything. I can't remember what project it was, but yeah, Crypto Goddess, I would need to know the details. What's the project? What's the reason they're migrating? And does the migration affect the tokenomics? So if you can get me that information, I can give you a more robust answer, so to speak, right? Crypto isn't special. There's always a loser. It comes with playing the game, bro. That's why you never invest in afraid to lose. I lost last time, but this time around, that's right. This time around, all I do is win, 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 no matter what, right? I know I'm a bad singer, guys. Sorry. I probably hurt your ears. You should see me at the gym. I got my headphones on. I'm just like, ba, 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 just giving her, and everyone around me is like, bro, this guy sucks at singing, man. Stefan says, like, subscribe, make crypto future algorithm go viral. Yes, absolutely. 102 live on board. Yes, we got 244 watching total, guys. Greatly appreciated, man. 143 people watching over on X, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Make sure you're following me. Greatly appreciate the support, you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. And if you're on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, guys. What What do we got, Jay? Rob, the OG, 47 minutes. Damn. Well, time to get busy. Time to get busy. Pop-Tart Eater, what's up, man? He's here in the shadows. He is the Batman of the channel, right? Tommy, I think Jasmy will have a very similar run like Cardano did last bull run. They could potentially do that if the TVL, if they get the personal data locker up and running, they're locking up coins, and the total value lock gets up to that 75% mark. That would be about a 15 billion circulating supply. That would be very, very bigly, very, very bigly. Cyber Info, opinion on ICP. Love ICP. I say this all the time. I think ICP was got the short end of the stick in the last bull run because of the inflated price by SBF. And I think that he did that. He rug pulled the project to try to get the team, because people thought that the team did it, right? So ICP suffered in the last bull run because of it. Which was not fair to the holders. So I think this time around, ICP, now that it got out there with Sam Bankman-Fried, that it was him who rugged the project, not the team. I think that ICP is going to have a very, very good bull run this time around. I'm very bullish on it. I hold some, and I think it's going to do fantastic. Yes, I'm very bullish on ICP. What we got? Travel the world. Jasmy's going to get me and my family out of the hood. Yes, and to travel the world. You see what I did there? You see that? Balaclava man, what's up, buddy? I haven't seen you in a bit. Swift price target is $1. However, I'm going to be getting out around 40 to 50 cents. So, Michael, hopefully Spell does great. Spell will do fantastic, brother. Spell will do fantastic. Craig says, I need a 20-cent Swift, but have no clue. It hasn't done anything for me in years. It could blow up. Doge took 2 cycles to blow up. Yeah, Swift's got all the attention on it now, so it's gonna be much bigger, guys. I'm trying to get myself about a 500,000 Swift, and I'll be set. Yeah, I'll be set. I'll be happy if it gets to 50 cents. Like I said, 40-50 cents. If I got 500K Swift, I'm happy, right? So. Crypto Homes, yes, Matthews officially credited with the goal. Boom, 68, man, 68, brother. Oh, Domi's just wrecking somebody right now too, eh? Crypto Future Effect, yeah, it's pumping, guys. You gotta pump it up. Crypto Goddess, it's the LG token you gave the members, and they said if you bought ETH, you have to do it with to switch myself when done. Which shoot me, Crypto Goddess, shoot me a private DM over on Discord and let me know. We'll sort it out. I'll help you out with it. I'll give you my opinion. Just shoot me a private DM about it. Darwin, that happened to Gala Games. Yeah, Gala was kind of a unique situation, and it didn't kill the project, right? But I mean, Gala's still going to do good in the bull run. But the reason that Gala Games did a migration, though, was not for, and it didn't even have anything to do with the project. Gala migrated because one owner felt that, or one freaking founder figured that the other founder stole X amount of tokens and he was going to cash them out on the market, right? So he basically said, I'm going to make a V2 and make the V1s not worth anything, so that the ones that you stole have no value. That's essentially what happened, to kind of dumb it down and sum it up, right? So they didn't need to do a migration at all for the project. They did it for that reason, right? So that was kind of stupid. But at the same time, he did protect, guys, listen, at the same time, when you really think about it, the founder who made the V2 migration happened because the other founder stole tokens, right? He protected you guys as Gala holders because that founder who stole tokens, allegedly stole tokens, right? He was going to dump all those tokens on the market, which means he was going to dump on you, and he was going to crash the price of Gala doing it, right? So the migration kind of was, in a roundabout way, helped Gala holders not get dumped on by the other founder, right? That's the way I look at it. Jacob, what's the use case of JASMY? Oh, well, there's so many. For one, you have to use JASMY. You have to lock it up if you want to utilize the personal data locker. Both the individual person who is providing their data there, and also the companies that want to purchase data on there, they need to lock up JASMY token too. So consider it kind of a gas token, so to speak, utilizing it's a key. Think of it as a key to your personal data locker. You have to lock up JASMY. You cannot use the personal data locker marketplace to buy or sell data without JASMY coin. That's one use case for it. ISO, peace to the people. What's up, ISO Jetpack? What's up, brother? Good to see you. Balaclava Man, how high do you think it can go in the long run? Swift. Well, like I said, I think it could go. I'm not going to do beyond. I'm not going to do beyond this bull run for it, because I mean it's just we're getting a little bit crazy there. But like I said, I think it can go to about $1. Beyond that, in the following bull run, depending on how things go, fundamentals, all that stuff, the project, tokenomics, could go higher in the future, right? It's possible. Hang on a second. Hang on a second here. Sorry, guys. I'm just doing something here. Bear with me for a second. Just checking the link in the chat. Yeah, okay, we're good. Okay. ISO Jetpack, those 203 is the wave. 203. We're way beyond 203, brother. Okay, we'll do. Awesome. Boom, boom, boomer. Which Swift is everyone talking about? I will show you. I will show you. We are talking about this one right here. Ticker is SWFTC, Swift coin. KK, Gallo will do well. I agree. Gallo will do very well. Death Bank, what's up, buddy? JASMY is the top 100 crypto. Yes. What are we ranked right now as we speak? JASMY is 94th, up 4 more spots, guys. 425 million in 24-hour trading volume. Michael, JASMY looking good on the hourly. Let's have a look at the hourly. We're on the daily. Yeah, looking juicy on the hourly. Looking juicy. Nick, hello, everyone. Buy Rob Inu. Rob Inu, yeah, right. Oh man, somebody asked me the other day. They said, Rob, you should make a coin, right? I said, man, I know so little about how to like go in and do that kind of stuff. I would probably accidentally rug everybody and go to jail or something. No chance would I ever make a token, man. No chance. I'd be sitting there with the best of intentions and just rug everybody. Rug myself too, right? Something like that. Will 50K JASMY coins make me rich? I'll be honest with you, Caesar. My bare minimum for the amount of JASMY coins I think somebody should hold is at least 100,000. That's just my opinion. I mean, listen, I don't know. It depends on how long you're going to hold it, right? How long you plan on holding those JASMY coins? Are you holding them until 2029, 2030? Then maybe. But I mean, if it only goes to $1, or if it goes to $1 and you're only holding 50K tokens, well, then you've got 50 grand, right? Do you consider 50 grand rich? Maybe. Some people do, right? So I guess it depends on your perception too. Perspective. Where do I buy Swift? You can buy Swift coin I buy mine on KuCoin, but you can buy it on Coinbase as well. You can buy it on MetaMask, I believe. Yeah, you can buy it on MetaMask, on KuCoin, OKX, Coinbase, Gate.io. Yeah, quite a few places. So, I scoop it up on KuCoin. Yeah, that's where I buy mine too. I buy mine over on KuCoin. Fact says 50K Jasmy will get you just enough to buy a nice cardboard box for when you go homeless. You're so cold sometimes, Facts. What do you think about BRN token burn schedule for the same day of the halving? BRN. I think we actually, BRN is one of the projects we brought. Yeah, we did. We brought this project to the members. We do members only live streams on Sundays when we drop microcap gems and potential projects to scoop up. About 3 months ago, we recommended BRN Metaverse, Burn Metaverse to the members because we think it's going to be a great gem in the bull run. Guys, if you want to get in early on these projects, you got to click the link in the pinned description or in the chat to become a member. Last Sunday, we called 3 gems. I think one of them that we called is going to do an 80 to 100x, in my opinion. So, yeah, this is one of the plays we called to the members. I think it's going to be a great play. Definitely think it's going to be a great play. Very bullish on it. Do you know anything about Pi Network? No, I don't know much about Pi Network at all, my friend, unfortunately. Beebs, Jasmy Scam. What's up? Let's go. Good evening, future crypto millionaires. Liquidity DCAing into Rob for sure. JST pumping. Danny, hola, buddy. Thanks for keeping us informed. I got you, brother. I got you. Bleeb, thank you for the super chat, man. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciated for the support, my friend. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Greatly appreciated, man. You're following Bieber, Gaga, Spears, and Burger King. Very nice, man. Awesome. Thank you so much, my friend. It's greatly appreciated. It is greatly appreciated. Craig, KuCoin still works up there. I took all my crypto off KuCoin. Oh yeah, I use KuCoin all the time. All the time I use KuCoin here. Yeah, no problem, man. I got no problem. Binance left Canada because of stupid stablecoin regulations. How's that for a kicker, guys? Hey, Binance leaves Canada because of stablecoin regulations. It wasn't even anything that Binance was doing. It was just stablecoin stuff. How stupid is that? Nick, my 3K investment is down to 24K. Jasmy scam. Yeah, they scammed you into 21K profits. Those hucksters. That's what they are. Where's Gary? How much Swift you reckon I buy as I'm a full-time student? Well, I can't tell you how much to buy per se, but my target is 500,000 tokens. That's my target for Swift coin. ONG Steam holding 299K tokens. I think I'll be adding to this number between here and the end of the 5-year plan. Very nice. Are you talking about Jasmy or Swift coin? Sandy, what's up? Rob, will you look at ZBC? For you, Sandy, I will do that. ZBC. I got you covered, Sandy. Zebek. It's Zebek Protocol. 2 cents. $1.4 billion market cap. about 50% of the supply in circulation. I like that it's on Solana. All-time high 2 years ago, 5 cents. Listed on KuCoin, Radium, Gemini, BitGet, Bitmart, Jupiter, Crypto.com. Very nice, very nice. What do they do? What do they do? That's the question. Decentralized infrastructure network for seamless flows of real-world value. So is it an RWA token? Changing the way money moves? No. Yeah, it is. RWA payments, DPIN. Yeah. Coinbase, Coinbase Ventures, Gemini, Circle. Yeah, seems like a good project. Market cap's a little higher than I would like, but I mean, it seems like a good project at the end of the day. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I see more and more people talking about Swift. I think it'll sneak up on people, spread the word. Yeah, it's starting to gain a lot of momentum, and you know, that's why it's good to get in on these early, man. Right, getting in on them early, and yeah, then it's going to gain momentum, and then guess what? All those new people are our exit liquidity, right? I am in love with JASMY, 100%, man. ISO Jetpack Rob, why is nobody talking about XET? XET. Oh, that's not XET. XET. Talking about Xfinite Entertainment. 1.2 million market cap. Tokenomics are not terrible. They're on Algorand. Oh, very nice. I like that they're on Algorand. MEXC and Gate.io. I don't know, man. I don't know. They seem like a fairly decent project. I don't know much about them. Maybe because they're not listed many places. Building a decentralized entertainment ecosystem on Algorand. Doesn't Algorand have LimeWire over there as well? Interesting. I don't know, man. I don't know. Seems like it's okay. Dropped it last time. Don't remember if you viewed it. I don't think I viewed this one, no. So I did now, though. Swiftcoin I buy early. I'm happy with it. Nice. Travis, Binance holding the amount of JASMY it does not list. Binance holding the amount of JASMY it does, but not listing it in Binance US is eyebrow raising. Yeah, we talked about that. Jesse and I talked about that before. It is very, very strange. But it's bullish strange, though, right? It is bullish strange. Yes, Craig, Swiftcoin is the bag I am working on now. Me too, man. Me too. Would you be surprised if we can say JASMY hit 40 cents by the end of 2024? I think it'll be higher than that. So no, I wouldn't be surprised. CTI. $4 million market cap. Tokenomics aren't terrible. It's on Ethereum, all-time high 3 years ago. It's got some decent listings. Decentralized platform to lower the cost of new medicine. Oh, this seems like decentralized science to me, not... it is decentralized science, yeah. Very, very bullish on this one, man. Very, very bullish on it. Good call, Palm Springs. Good call. Guys, Some of you know this about me. I am very bullish on DeSci, decentralized science, going into 2029, 2030. I think if you can scoop up any decentralized science plays right now and hold them to 2029, 2030, you're going to be very, very happy that you did. I think it's going to be a very, very big, strong narrative in the next bull run. Absolutely. Decentralized science. Look it up, guys. Charlie, what's up, man? Good to see you. Beebs, Rob, where do you believe we are in this bull market? 20, 40, 60? Honestly, 20. I think we're 20, to be honest with you, man. We're still pre-halving. We're still pre-halving, guys. Like, we're so early. Charlie, JASMY will outperform everything else. I agree. What do you think of Shiba Inu? I'm bullish on Shiba Inu. I put $800 into Shiba Inu in the last bull run, and that turned into about 10 grand. So I want to hold some more Shiba Inu this time around. I don't hold any right now. I do plan on getting some at some point before the bull run kicks off. So thank you. 1 million market cap. For what? I know a lot of Pi Network. Don't buy, it's free to get. Think about it. Can JASMY hit $10 this bull run? Like I said, I put a link in the chat for my JASMY price prediction video. Go watch that after the stream, guys. I did a short-term price prediction and a long-term price prediction in that video, and I explain why I think the price will go where it goes, very in-depth. So watch that video. I put the link in the chat already, or just search my videos. I did the video yesterday, so you won't have to look far. Sandy, let's go 100 likes. Yes, I agree, Sandy. Let's get to 100 likes, baby. What are we at now? We're at 70. We're at 70 likes. We can get to 100. We can do it. Liquidity, make sure you guys are keeping your wallets safe too. Wonder if we'll be more green soon. 70K will be holding strong for quite a bit. Despite the odds, I agree. Crypto Queen, what's up? Hey, Rob, do you think Bitcoin will dump at it as it has a day or two before the halving next week? Well, Crypto Queen, we were actually talking earlier about the fact that it's entirely possible that since we saw the a new all-time high early, it's entirely possible that the last dump we saw on Bitcoin, the big one, could have been the Bitcoin halving dump happening early too, right? Because Bitcoin's market cycle is ahead of schedule. So that last dump might have been, because it was like 20% or something like that. That might have been the halving dump. It's entirely possible that that's the case, right? Now, am I 100% on that? Of course not, because I don't have a crystal ball. But I am thinking that that is definitely possible. And you combine that with all the inflows that we're about to see on BTC from Hong Kong, mainland China, Korea, Germany, and London, we could very well see Bitcoin start to skyrocket like in May, right? So it's entirely possible. Michael, this bull run will be epic. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Justin, JASMY has a full tank of gas. Wait until it ignites. Unlike memes, it will not go out that easy. Yes. Rob, what do you think about token Katon? Wow, that's a low market cap. Holy smokes. $500,000 market cap. Look at those tokenomics. I've looked at this before. I was bullish on this, I believe, right? Interoperability. Yeah, I was bullish on this. All-time high was 3 years ago. Yes, I was very, very bullish on this project. Good call, ISO Jetpack. I dig that one. I'm starting a new coin with $52 market cap. Lord of the Realm, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Tech Bull Run is over. Yeah. Also has connections with Crust. Nice. You know me. See, you know me. You know, as soon as you say Crust, I'm interested, right? Very nice, brother. Very nice. JASMY USD was listed on Margex. Can now purchase. Yeah, we covered that this morning. In this morning's live stream, we had a look at that. Personally, guys, I don't do leverage trading, but listen, if you want to leverage trade with JASMY or anything else, guys, we have a channel sponsor is LBank. Links down below for that. You can do your copy trading down there, your copy pro trading. You can do your leverage trading down there. Use the link in the description. Channel sponsor LBank. Shout out. I don't shout them out very often anymore, but yeah, if you want to check them out, guys, do your spot trading there too. Pretty good little platform. I hold some of my stuff over there, so it's a decent little platform. I don't mind it. They were one of the first platforms. They were amongst one of the first platforms that you could buy KASPA in the States. So, Rob, how's JASMY doing with BTC line today? Didn't get to view it. JASMY and BTC both had good daily closes, my friend. Where is it? I have the chart up right now. Yeah, so because of the daily close today, JASMY could possibly test this upper resistance level here at 2 cents 77 tonight, sometime within the next 23 hours. So very bullish on that. Meme Crazy was top and sign, I think. Elizabeth, how are you? How are you? Good to see you. Liquidity, honestly didn't think about it that way, Rob. I know it's hypothetical, but that'd be crazy insane for us. Hope everyone used up some of their dry powder. Yes, that's the thing, guys. If we do end up having an abbreviated bull run and the market tops this year instead of next year, that's good, man. I think that's a good thing because I want to get my profits and get the hell out and wait for the bottom of the next market. I'm sure most of you guys feel the same way. Let's pump it up. Let's get our life-changing wealth and get out of the market so that we can chill out for the next year and wait for the bottom to market to bottom out. And then we can get back into the market at the bottom again, right? The sooner we can do that, the better, baby, right? Most people think the top will be early. Yeah, exactly. JASMY listed in Norway. Get your loot fixed ready. Funky, what's up, buddy? If we hit 2 cents 8 and hold, 5 cents should be the next stop. Yes. I'm hoping tonight we break above this resistance level and then we hold it as support for the next leg up to 3 cents. Absolutely. And then through possibly to 5 cents. Hey, Rob, did you ever hear of BSKT token? It's on Solana. It's the first ever crypto ETF of projects in Solana. Very interesting. BSKT. Basket coin. Oh, $1 million market cap. Decent tokenomics. All-time high 3 years ago. Yeah, seems okay. You can only get it on MetaMask right now, though. Seems all right. JASMY will go to $1. Definitely. Absolutely. We at the top right now today. Get out. Charlie, hey, man, you're clearly Canadian, and I live in Minnesota. I'm in Buffalo, so if you're in Canada, chances are you live very close to me. Yeah, good call, brother. I actually live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, but I'm from Toronto. So good call, man. Good call. Do you think altcoin bull run will continue in 2025? I think that it will. I lean towards yes, it will. But listen, guys, I say this all the time. Do not try to time it. Don't try to set your exit strategy to a date. Set it to a price point, right? So if you're holding JASMY and you think JASMY is going to go to $1, you should be dollar cost averaging out of the market before $1, right? Doesn't matter when it happens, whether it's this year or next year, right? Decide where you think a project's going to go, and then decide where you should be dollar cost averaging out of it. If you need help with that strategy, guys, click the link in the pinned comments or in the chat and become a member of the channel, and we will help you with that stuff. Don't worry about that if you're new. I didn't even get a notification that you were live. Wow, we've been live for an hour and a half, and I put out a half-hour warning. Wow, that's crazy. YouTube scam, notification scam. I mean, there's some Patreon patrons. BTC go down, JASMY 2, and BTC go up. Screams, yes, absolutely. Charlie, LOL. I lived in Grand Forks, which is close to Winnipeg. Yeah, I've been through there a few times. Man. Small world. Beebs, yeah, the reason why I asked is because there's a YouTuber I turn into every believes the bull run is 70 to 80% over already. I'm like, no way, no chance, man. We're not even at the halving yet. We're pre-halving. Anyone who says we're almost done the bull run and we haven't even had the Bitcoin halving yet has no idea what they're talking about. No idea. They think that the all-time high for Bitcoin is about $4,000 higher than the last bull run. That's it. That's the returns we're getting this time around. That doesn't make any sense, right? October, buy in October, sell in May. Yeah, I think that the bull run is going to, like the parabolic part of the bull run, guys, if you're sticking to traditional 4-year cycles, the parabolic part of the bull run should start around October, November, and it should end around June, right? So that's your window. Stop thinking and buy, then buy more. Yeah, we're still in the accumulation phase here, guys. It's awesome that you do this and help everyone who watches you. Good man. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you. I want everybody to win together, man. I want everybody to win, right? We don't do this. We don't do this for the money. We don't do dedicated sponsored videos and stuff like that. We don't do that garbage here. I get emails every single day from companies asking me to do that, man. You'll never see me do that on this channel. I don't do that garbage, right? Y'all have a good night. I'm out. I'll check out all your videos, Rob. Thanks, man. Thanks, Michael. Thanks for supporting the channel too, brother. What do we got here? A super cycle is not a bull run, and a bull cycle is not a bull run. Yes, exactly. Yo, Charlie. I've been to Grand Forks, toured the Ralph in Central High School, ate a chocolate cup and potato chip, not bad. And I ate a brownie once. KK preach. Halving is literally one of the biggest bull run catalysts. No way it's already over. Don't lose potential gains, guys. Absolutely, I agree. Queen, Crypto Queen, it's almost impossible to DCA at $1 or whatever amount when a whale can drain an asset down 5 cents before what amount can be planned to start DCAing. Before what amount we plan to DCA. Yeah, well, you're absolutely right, Queenie. Because the thing is too, if Jasmy gets to $1 is going to be a very, very powerful psychological level, right? Everyone's going to be trying to sell Jasmy at $1. Everybody, right? So, Queenie, you're absolutely right. The liquidity is going to be so hard around there. Such a powerful psychological level. What else do we got? Why don't doing that? Thanks, not doing it. As far as historical cycles go, I think the massive amount of institutional capital can change how that works. True enough. My wife is actually in Grand Forks. Nice. Only thing going to be having is the price. People saying bull run is almost over are a bunch of clowns trying to scare noobs into selling early. Future bear markets may not resemble those in the past. The ETFs may have. I don't know, man. I mean, yes, 401k money, 401k money is a little bit different, but for the most part, man, if we're talking these ETFs and stuff like that, with the exception of stuff like 401ks, which 401ks are not even really in the ETFs yet, let's be honest, right? However, the institutional money, the hedge fund money, the that kind of stuff, they're all selling. Make no mistake about it. They're taking their profits, guys. Don't fool yourself into thinking that they're going to allow you to use them as exit liquidity while they stand there holding the bag. They're called smart money for a reason, right? So liquidity, you're right. Experts say we have 18 months ahead of us. Yes. How many coin? How many coin is deal to hold for the bull? Ideal to hold. Which coin are you talking? You're talking about JASMY? I honestly believe that everyone should hold at least a minimum of 100,000 coins, in my opinion. A minimum, right? That should be your baseline, in my opinion. $1,000 in any solid crypto before the bull run is decent for life changing gains. Yes, absolutely, I agree. Anyway, guys, I gotta call it there. I apologize. I gotta get to the gym. It's 8 o'clock here. I gotta get to the gym. I will be back after my workout for another live stream this evening. We're gonna tune back into the JASMY chart and see if we're running up to the resistance level at 2 cents 7 right here. So yeah, do you guys want me to leave the chart on for you guys when I leave? I can reload the live stream and put the chart on for you if you guys want while I'm at the gym. Let me know. But guys, if you're watching the replay of the stream, make sure you're smashing the subscribe button for sure. What did we end up getting to? We ended up getting to 73 likes. Not bad. Not too bad. Thank you also everyone watching over on X. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. Please click the follow button. That'll be greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. I'm going to go hit a workout, eat something. So yeah, thank you so much again, guys. I'll see you soon.